Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. If the information provided in this video is useful to you, please like this video. Remember that we work very hard in the background to get you all this information. Today is Wednesday, 13 July 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 karats gold without VAT price is 208.73 and with VAT is 240.04. 22 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 191.62 and with VAT is 220.36. 21 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 182.64 and with VAT is 210.04. 18 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 156.55 and with VAT is 180.03. 14 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 122.11 and with VAT is 140.43. 10 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 87.04 and with VAT is 100.10. 6 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 52.18 and with VAT is 60.01. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.